Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So today I want us to start off analysis with a chart on my screen. This is GBPUSD. It looks like this chart is retracing to the upside. We do have a very good support level here. We have a support here. We have a support here. And then we also have a very good support level. Sorry, this is a support. Then this is a resistance, and now this is support, this is support. So as it is right now, the price is moving upwards in a progressive manner. We've seen the price continue to make a slight higher highs, which means that the price is possibly heading to the upper side. We are inside some very good expanding wedge formation. You can see. So you can see here we had a support here, we had a support, we had a resistance, a support, we had a resistance, we had a support, we had a resistance, a support, a resistance, a support, and the same place a resistance. So as it is right now, if the price can move down and touch this lower trend line, then that should give us the ideal place to consider looking for a buy from. So if the price touches that level but does not break and close below the lower level, which is this trend line, then we do expect a buy position from along this trend line and a sell position from along this trend line. But if both of these are broken, then we expect the price to extend towards the next key levels. So those key levels are actually these ones, the ones we have at the bottom, this one, or the other one at the very top. But if the price ascends above this trend line, then we will expect another breakout and a close above this main resistance level here. That is a very good resistance level, where in case the price ascends and closes above it, then we want to wait for a retracement back towards the same level to mean that we are continuing even higher. The other chart is EURUSD. So with the EURUSD, so far we had several exhaustion candles last week. So we had a very good level here. We had a very good sort of resistance level. We had a support, a break below. Then the price pulled back up and touched the same zone. It formed a very good bearish pin bar candle. As you can see, the price is still possibly headed short. So on this chart, we are strictly looking for sell positions. We will expect that the price is going to continue downwards, at least up to this level here. So if you're on this chart while you're talking right now, you are supposed to be focusing on possibly sell positions, expecting the price to extend to the lower side. So we will be looking for sell positions on this chart, expecting a move even lower. The other chart which I want us to have a look at is the US dollar Japanese yen. We have it here. This is upwards. So on this chart, basically our key level we are watching for price around is this resistance level here. So we do expect that if the price goes up and touches this resistance level, if it does break and close above it, that will be a good sign that we are now continuing to the upper side. But if the price bounces off from it, then that will be a good place to consider looking for a sell from. We will expect that the sellers are going to push us downwards with the next target at 140.214. If that target is broken, the next target is this one. So basically speaking, this is a good place to look for a sell from. Our first target is this one. The next target is this one. In case the price ascends and closes above this line, then that will be a good sign that we are now continuing to the upper side. So that should be my opinion on that chart. The other chart which I want us to have a look at is the GBPJPY. We have it here. So this is upwards. We have a very good active uptrend. So as you can see, we had a very good bullish resistance trend line here. You can see that the price has gone and is currently touching it. So where the price is right now is actually a good place to consider looking for a sell from. Where the price is right now is actually a very good place where we may want to consider looking for a sell from. But unless the price clearly bounces off from it, we may see a clear breakout and a close above it to mean that the price is possibly heading even longer. So it may mean that the price will likely continue upwards if it does break above that level. But if it bounces off from it, then that could be a good place to consider looking for a sell from, with our first target at this price, and then the next target is fixed at this price here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.